division. As they're picking up speed, here they come, green flag, and we're racing. It's Balms and Robinson side by side very early in the race.
Everyone's kind of bottled up in there as Wagner and Ostinson and Lounsbury right behind them.
The inside groove looks a lot better tonight than it did 2 weeks ago, as these drivers are not having any problems on the inside so far from what I can see.
Don't jinx them. Don't jinx them, John. It's too early for that.
It is too early. Yes, it is.
Especially after what we just saw the last time we raced here.
Yeah. As Balms is trying to get the lead from Robbie Robinson. I think they made contact there in turn 4. Balms dropped him back just a little bit there. Justin Wagner sitting in third all by himself. We've got a battle for first and a battle for last.
Got to watch out for that 22 car, Dwayne Lounsbury. He's won 3 heats, even though he's in the back. He finds his way up front a lot.
Oh, he tries to move Ostinson on the inside to go to the inside of Wagner. And Ostinson didn't really care for that move whatsoever by Lounsbury.
But it's still the 18R of Robbie Robinson holding off the 64 of William Balms. And that 73 of Justin Wagner.
We are halfway through.
Robbie Robinson has 1 heat win in his back pocket this year at the Rockford Speedway out of 12 heat races.
As Balms is dropping back a little bit there. Dwayne Lounsbury trying to lock up the number 3 spot. Justin Wagner got a little loose between 1 and 2. Here comes Lounsbury in the 22.
He knows how to win features. He creeps his way up there, John. He works the track.
He's still got 2 laps to go. Anything can happen. He's looking to the inside of Wagner now. Here comes Lounsbury.
Uh-oh, there's the 22.
Will he have just enough time to get her done? I don't know. We got 1 lap to go. Lounsbury wheeling it on the inside of Wagner. But it's Robbie Robinson with the lead. The race is for second place. Could it be a photo finish? It could be Lounsbury or Wagner for second. It is going to be Wagner for second. Lounsbury third, Balms in fourth, Ostinson in fifth. And your winner with another heat win. Eric, how many does this make for Robbie?
Robbie Robinson, it's only his 2nd heat win. He's got 1 feature and a dash in his back pocket.
Well, he's got one of everything now, doesn't he?
Well, actually 2 dashes and 2 heats along with the feature.
Very nice for a Roadrunner driver, Robbie Robinson.
Another one from Wisconsin here tonight.
Jerry's Auto Parts, Borderline Auto Sales, all kinds of sponsors on that car. As that will conclude our Roadrunners heat races, as we are going to bring out our Miller Lite American short trackers to run their 8-lap heat races. Hopefully Todd Bridges has got a car figured out and be able to be out here for his heat race. But ladies and gentlemen, after he gets out of the car there, and like I said, it's very hot out there. Them guys have been working up a sweat, getting all the motor heat, all that good stuff. Know he's got to be happy to get out of the car and take a little breather.